Presenting POCO X6 Neo 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM 256GB storage. It is available in colors Astral Black, Horizon Blue and Martian Orange. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, which can easily handle your needs whether you are gaming, streaming, or using numerous apps at once. It features with dual SIM, nano+nano, 5G. This smartphone designed with 6.67 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED, 1080 by 2400 display, 93.3% ultra-narrow bezels display with 120Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits peak brightness, and has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display protection. It comes with 108MP, 3x in sensor zoom AI dual camera and 16MP front camera. Features with Mediatek Dimensity 6080, 6nm Octa-core 5G processor for high performance. This smartphone has 5000 mAh large battery with 33 watts fast charger in box and its Type-C connectivity. The box contains power adapter, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.